It's been an interesting journey from when I took it and tried to get, this was a while ago, an ex-husband to get involved with the money thing and really understand our archetypes, and then being completely on my own. So there was no lack of financial dependence because I wasn't in a partnership for a couple of years. And what I really realized through the course all the way around was that bringing people on board that would help me maybe get more of the empowerment, because the Connector's empowering mindset, I just read this, I hadn't in a while. The more comfortable I get with money, the more I empower myself. And really, I can't do it all. And getting a bookkeeper to help me set up QuickBooks was really big, and ditching the shame that it wasn't enough money. I even found a bookkeeper that dealt with artists. There's someone out there for everybody. And I feel like it's actually very pragmatic on how it's helped me, because I am a romantic also, and I like to shop. And so I put myself on I do rent the runway now. So I'm on a budget. I can shop all the time for a fixed amount of money. And if I think what it's probably done the most of the whole course is help me quit judging myself and embracing the good, and then working with the things that are your challenges. So it's been actually comical almost to see it all.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.